Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Swiss Beauty Cosmetics. Happy Valentine's Day everyone. So Valentine is all about love. So today we have an exciting makeup challenge which is inspired by these emojis. So we are taking up this challenge with Swiss Beauty Craze collection, and Craze collection is all about you, colorful and Gen Z vibe. So for eyes, I am using this eyeshadow and blusher palette. So this palette is multifunctional. As you can see, here is the eyeshadow, and if you flap up you will get the blusher. Using a lighter color to enhance the crease line. Building up with mixing two colors. Using only dark brown color now for the outer corner. And you can see how pigmented these eyeshadows are, and there is no fallout. And the formula is velvety matte, so the application and the blending is very easy with this. Using the same brown color for the lower lash line as well, and blending it up upwards to get the lifted and elongated eyes. I love to put shine with my fingers, so using the lighter golden color. Wow, and you can see how pigmented the shine come out. So you can definitely build color more, or maybe you can mix with the different eyeshadow color. Using the same blending brush to blend the matte color and the shine color together, and that's my complete eye makeup look. So now I'm using lip and cheek macaron. So it's a multifunctional product. You can use this for your lipstick, for your cheek as a blush, and of course to use little bit of hint and tint on the eyes. So I am creating few hearts with this. So using a sleek eyeliner brush, I'm creating these hearts. So the same product I'm using as a blush, and these are really pigmented, so make sure to use very light. So as we all know, all the cream products set with the powder, so I have used the creamy lip and cheek macaron here, and I'm setting up with this powder. Completing my eye look with Craze Duo Mascara. This side is for lengthening and the other one is for volume. So starting up with the length. So for lipstick, I'm using Craze Duo Lip Color. It comes with a two-side lipstick, and these lipstick are waterproof. It stays for 8+ hours and very long wear. And these lipstick are a perfect lip combo for your lipstick. So I'm using both the color to create a ombre look. Using a darker color for a lip line. Using a lighter shade now and mixing both color together. Nothing could be better than this lip combo for your Valentines. Lastly, I'm going to fix the makeup with Craze Makeup Fixer. And it is going to hydrate and set the makeup very quickly. And you can see the overall glow as well on the skin. That's the final look. Rate this look in the comment section out of 10. Like, share and subscribe and celebrate the day of love with Swiss Beauty.